The Cross River State Local Government Service Commission has commenced a 2-day in-house training program for its staff as part of efforts to improve efficiency, productivity, and service delivery across the local government system. Let's take a look at that reports.
The training, titled Enhancing Efficiency, Service Delivery and Performance in the Workplace, was held at the Local Government Service Commission, Hall, New Secretariat, Calabar. Speaking, the chairman of the commission, Mr. Ayonsa, says the training is designed to empower staff on modern techniques such as time management, productivity, consistency, and attitude to work. He urged staff to take the training resourceful with impact for a change of working attitude.
Lectures like this, trainings like this, workshops like this, intended to bring you up to speed with modern techniques. Some of you do not know or may not know, as you will know today, there are certain techniques in the office about time management, and how to be more productive.
Also speaking, the chairman, Civil Service Commission, Maurice Efiwat, noted that training offers a bedrock in every human endeavor, and as civil servants, a lot is expected from us for the betterment of service.
Smart application of productivity improvement tools and techniques. That is working smarter with the tools. These are modern tools that will enhance productivity, our productivity, that will also contribute to the collective productivity of the entire commission.
A representative of Head of Service, Ayo Edem, another resource person, Mrs. Gloria Oduoje, and the Auditor General for Local Government, Basi Eko, commended the Governor and the Commissioner for building up an impactful training and urged staff to make use of the opportunity judiciously.
To strengthen professional capacity, improve service delivery, and promote a culture of excellence. I am confident that the knowledge and insight gained will inspire participants to become more productive, responsive, result-oriented, and the discharge of their responsibilities.
As Cross River State continues to pursue public service reform, including performance management and digital transformation, every public servant must embrace professionalism, innovation, accountability, and measurable results.
Idon Citizen, CRBC News.